Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 20 incredible, strange, and mind-blowing facts that will change the way you look at the world. From space to history, from the human body to nature. Get ready to say, wow, I never knew that. So grab a seat and let's get started. Fact 1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. Most people think strawberries are berries, but scientifically they're not. Bananas, on the other hand, actually are. Botany can be very confusing. Fact 2. You shed about 40,000 skin cells every minute. Right now, as you're watching this, your skin is constantly renewing itself. In fact, most of the dust in your house is made up of dead skin cells. Fact 3. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Even while you're asleep, your brain is busy, producing about 20 watts of electricity. Fact 4. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This happens in a phenomenon called the triple point, under very specific temperature and pressure conditions. Fact 5. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Astronomers estimate there are 200 billion trillion stars. Try wrapping your head around that. Fact 6. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Fact 7. Mount Everest grows about 4 millimeters every year. The tectonic plates beneath are still pushing it higher. Fact 8. Lightning is hotter than the sun. A bolt of lightning can reach 30,000 Kelvin, about 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Fact 9. In medieval times, people thought tomatoes were poisonous. They were called poison apples in Europe until the 1700s. Fact 10. The Aztecs used cocoa beans as money. That hot chocolate you drink today? It used to be currency. Fact 11. A day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus rotates so slowly that one day lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its year, which is 225 Earth days. Fact 12. Dinosaurs lived on Earth for about 165 million years. Humans, by comparison, have only been around for about 200,000 years. Fact 13. Bees can recognize human faces. They don't just buzz around randomly. They can actually remember who you are. Fact 14. You're mostly water, about 60%. And babies? They're about 75% water when they're born. Fact 15. Black holes can play music. They send out ripples in space-time, which scientists have converted into eerie sound waves. Fact 16. Elephants can hear through their feet. They detect vibrations in the ground to communicate over long distances. Fact 17. Saturn's moon Titan has lakes of liquid methane. It rains methane instead of water. Imagine that weather forecast. Fact 18. Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of the iPhone than to the building of the pyramids. History feels huge, but timelines can surprise you. Fact 19. There's a species of jellyfish that is biologically immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii can revert its cells back to an earlier stage, essentially living forever. Fact 20. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts report that their suits and equipment smell like seared meat after a spacewalk.